Good morning, students. Continuing our chapter number 5, patterns. Here, students, you can take page number 34 from your book and you can see some patterns are there and 4 boxes are blank. You have to fill, you have to continue the pattern. You have to follow the rule, what the rule is there, what the rule is there given in the pattern, and then you have to follow the same rule. So in the first, look at the patterns and fill up the boxes. First it is oval shape, then rectangle, again oval shape, then rectangle. In your book it is round shape, square, round shape, square. So what comes next? Round shape, then square, round shape, then square. In the pattern which is given in the slide, the next one will be oval shape, then rectangle, then oval shape, then rectangle. You have to draw this pattern in your notebook. So the answer is oval shape, rectangle, oval shape, rectangle, oval shape, rectangle, oval shape, rectangle. You have to fill the color also. Then question number 2. It is given, arrows are given and it is on the upward position. Marks upward. One arrow is given, then second arrow, third arrow, fourth arrow, and all the arrows are in the upward directions. So in the fifth box you will draw, again you will draw the arrow and the position is upward. Same in sixth box also, seventh box also, and eighth box also. So the answer will be this. You can see in the slide. Draw this pattern, do this pattern in your notebook. The third question, there is a 1 dot in the first box, 2 dots are there in the second box, then 3 dots are there in the third box. Again 1 dot in the fourth box. Now tell me what will come in the fifth box. Yes, 2 dots will come in the fifth box. Then sixth box में 3 dots. सेवेंथ बॉक्स में अगेन 1 डॉट, एट बॉक्स में 2 dots. The pattern which are following in the first 3 boxes, first 4 boxes, same thing will be followed in the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th boxes. जो रूल पहले आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं, जो रूल इसमें फॉलो हो रहा है पहले, सेम रूल आपको पीछे भी फॉलो करना है. So you can do, the answer will be like this: 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dots, then 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, again 1 dot, then 2 dot, then 3 dots. The same pattern should be followed. The same rule should be followed. Now next question. 2 arrows in the upward direction. In the next 2 arrows in the downward direction. Then 2 arrows in the upward direction. Then 2 arrows in the downward directions. Again 2 arrows in the upward direction, 2 arrows in the downward direction, 2 arrows in the upward direction, and 2 arrows in the downward direction. Yes, you can check the answer. 2 arrows upward direction, 2 arrows downward direction. Then 2 arrows upward direction, 2 arrows downward direction. Then 2 arrows upward direction, then 2 arrows in the downward direction. Then upward and then downward. In this way it will be continued. This thing you can do it. Then next, 5th question. Triangle is there, then 2 dots, then the position of triangle is changed, again 2 dots. Then again continue from the first. The position of a triangle in the first one, it will come in the 5th box, then 2 dots, then जो थर्ड बॉक्स में ट्राइंगल है वो वाली पोजीशन आपका 7th बॉक्स में आ जाएगी, अगेन 2 डॉट्स. जो ट्राइंगल की पोजीशन है वही उसमें चेंज हुई है, दैट यू हैव टू लुक इट केयरफुली. 5th वाले बॉक्स में अगेन ट्राइंगल, वही ट्राइंगल रहेगा जो फर्स्ट बॉक्स में है. देन 6th बॉक्स में अगेन 2 डॉट, 7th बॉक्स में फिर से ट्राइंगल का पोजीशन आ जाएगा. यू कैन सी हियर, इन दिस वे यू कैन continue your pattern. Then next, नेक्स्ट में फर्स्ट बॉक्स में कंप्लीट कलर है, सेकंड बॉक्स में हाफ में लाइट कलर, हाफ में डार्क कलर, देन थर्ड बॉक्स में वापस कंप्लीट कलर, देन फोर्थ बॉक्स में अगेन अ लाइन इज देयर इन बिटवीन, that color is divided into two parts. In the same way you have to follow in the next pattern. The same thing, one third then fifth में again you have to draw a box complete, आपको उसको orange कर लेना. Then next में that color is divided into two, one light shade, one dark shade, then complete color, then one light shade and dark shade. In this way you can complete your pattern. In the next question, oval shape is there, semicircle, आधा ऊपर है आधा नीचे है. In the first टॉप वाला पार्ट है, देन बॉटम वाला पार्ट, अगेन टॉप देन बॉटम, फिर टॉप वाला जाएगा बॉटम वाला जाएगा, अगेन टॉप देन बॉटम. You have to continue the pattern in this way. So continuing the pattern in this way. So student, this exercise is given in your book on page number 34. Do this exercise in your notebook also. Do the same color, whatever color is given in the first 4 pictures, the same color you have to repeat in the next 4 pictures. Follow the rule which is given in the pattern. The same type of rule should be followed till the pattern is completed. Do it. In the next module, I will tell you, I will explain you whatever the questions are given on page number 37. So students, we will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye.